May nabasa ako na ang sabi, you should never ever beg someone to stay nung kakanagad makimahirak para da ibayaanin sa rong tao. Sabi ninda, duwang klase man lang nin tao ang minaabot sa buhay ta. It's either people who will just pass by, para mientras, bako pangharaluyan, and may mga tao man na maabot sa imo to stay, to be with you till the end. And it's okay if someone came along, uminabot sa buhay mo, and feeling mo, he or she will be there to stay, pero dai mang giraray, uminali mang giraray, do not feel bad, but be grateful. Sabi nga nida, people come into your life for two reasons. The other one, they stay to give you the best memories of your life. The other one will come to your life to teach you a lesson, to make you realize something, and to make you a better person. So never ever beg someone to stay. Dapat nasa stage na kita ngunyan kang buhay ta, na kung sisay ang muya magstay, then thank you for staying. Thank you for being right there. Pero kung may tao man kita sa buhay ta, nasa kabila kan mga pinag-iribahan ta, they decided to live, then learn to let go. Allow them to live. But never ever beg someone to stay. People will stay because they want to stay, not because you beg someone to stay.